So this course is designed to be as effective and efficient as possible. I want you to feel comfortable at a party, and if you keep practicing the skills, you'll feel awesome at a party. The course is designed in stages. The first stage is, what is the difference between people liking parties and people that don't like parties? Second stage, what is it that makes you uncomfortable at parties? We will realize that. Third stage, preparation. The key to feeling comfortable at parties is preparation. Fourth stage, small talking. If you really want to feel awesome at parties, you need to learn the skill of small talking. And I know what you're thinking, yeah, because I thought exactly the same. I'm not the small talking kind of person. I don't like small talking. That's not me. That's not for me. That's for others. You sound exactly like me because that's how I felt. But twisting it around, actually, I will teach you how you can use small talking to learn something new every time. So every time you have a small talk with a person, how can you get some value out of it? Yeah, I know, that sounds like magic. And it is. Finally, I'll be talking a tiny bit about feelings and emotions, because sometimes you feel just embarrassed in a situation and what to do about it. After this course, you'll be able to prepare yourself to feel comfortable at parties. Secondly, if you keep practicing the skills, you'll actually feel awesome at parties. You'll be looking forward for parties.